Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can redirect your all 404 pages to homepage automatically. Right now I am on my website dashboard. I am going to my all post section. After that, I am going to open this test post. So as a preview, this is my test post. Okay. So if I remove this post, I'm making it trash. So this post already in trash. So if I give a refresh here, you see it's saying this page can't be found. That means it's 404. So I don't want to get such kind of error. So how I can make this? For this, I need to visit my plugin section and I have to add new plugin. After that, I am searching here with all 404 redirect to homepage. This is the plugin. So install now, activate. So plugin already installed. So let's check the settings page. Is there anything I have to do? So they already by default enable 404 redirection and it will redirect to my home page. Actually, this is my home page for this tutorial purpose. But if you want to redirect it to any other page, just keep that URL here. So as it is my home page, I want to redirect it to that home page. After that, redirect type. So if you want permanent redirect, then you should select this one, and temporary redirect you should select 302. But permanent redirect is perfect. And by default, which things they already gave here, those are perfect. No need to edit anything. Just come to my that post, which post previously saying this page can't be found. If I give a refresh right now again, you will see it's redirect to my home page. So that's the things. It's very helpful for the SEO purpose. Even you never lose your traffic. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.